Good day, everyone. Application of derivatives is a very important chapter. You can get either case study sum or a 5 mark sum from it. In that, especially that maxima minima, that is very important. In the YouTube channel, if you go to the playlist case study sums, there you can see 4 videos. And under the heading maxima minima in the playlist, I have already posted videos. So let me do two or three more sums in that. Okay. So now let me read the sum. A fighter jet of an enemy is flying along the curve y is equal to x squared plus 2. A soldier is placed at the point 3, 2 and is assigned duty to shoot down the fighter jet. This is the information given. You are asked three questions. Express the distance between the soldier and the jet in terms of x. Second question. If the soldier shoots the jet when he is nearest to the jet, find the position of the jet. Third question. Find the minimum distance. That is when he shoots, what is the minimum distance? These are the three questions asked. Now, y is equal to x squared plus 2 is a parabola, isn't it? X squared is equal to y minus 2. So let us draw roughly the parabola. If you give x is equal to 0, y will be equal to 2. So that vertex will be 0, 2. Then you just draw roughly that parabola. That is that one part, okay, where the x is positive. Now, let us mark the point A 3, 2, that is where the soldier is placed. Let us mark another point P on the parabola x, y, which is the nearest point, that is where the soldier shoots down the jet. Okay, so this is the figure. One parabola, that is the path of the jet. A is the point where the soldier is standing. P is the nearest point on the parabola, that is the path of the jet, where the soldier shoots down the jet. Okay, right. Now, what is the first subdivision? We want to express the distance between the soldier and the jet in terms of x. So, we want to express the distance AP. You know, A is 3, 2. P is x, y. You are having two variables. Now, you use the equation y is equal to x squared plus 2. So, in the place of y, you can write x squared plus 2. So, the coordinates of P now will be in terms of x alone. Now, use the distance formula. Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. If you use it, you will get root of x minus 3 the whole square plus x squared plus 2 minus 2 the whole square. That plus 2 and minus 2 you can cut. So you will get root of x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus x power 4. So this is the answer to the first subdivision. That is, you have expressed the distance in terms of x alone. Okay. In the second subdivision, we have to find the position of the jet when it is nearest to the soldier. That is when the soldier shoots down the jet. What is the position of the jet? That is what we want to find out. We have found the distance S, that is the distance AP, that is equal to, in terms of x, root of x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus x power 4. Differentiation will be simpler if we avoid roots. So I am squaring both sides. So s squared, I call it as a, that is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus x power 4. When s is minimum, that is when the distance is minimum, s squared will also be minimum, that is the a will be minimum. What is the condition for a to be minimum? The first derivative, that is dA by dx, will be equal to 0. And the second derivative, d square a by dx squared greater than 0 for minimum. Okay, remember these two. So let us find what is dA by dx and what is d square a by dx square. dA by dx is 2x minus 6 plus 4x cube. If we arrange it properly in the descending order, it will be 4x cube plus 2x minus 6. D square a by dx squared is equal to 12x squared plus 2. Definitely this will be greater than 0 because x squared being a square, it is greater than or equal to 0. You have a plus 2, so this will be definitely greater than 0. So the second condition is over. Now let us come to the first condition. Let us equate dA by dx is equal to 0. So you will get 4x cube plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0, right? Now this is a cubic equation. So we have to use synthetic division for factorizing. Those who don't know, I will explain. Please listen. In the synthetic division, the first thing is you have to arrange that coefficients, that is of the term, no, the polynomial in the descending order. That is cube term, square term, x term, constant. If any term is missing, you have to put a 0. First is 4x cube. So the coefficient of x cube is plus 4. No x squared term, so I have put a 0. The coefficient of x is plus 2. The constant is minus 6. Okay, write with the sign. Now, it is a trial and error method. Not only that, only when you have integral roots, okay, you will be able to find it. Now, the general method I will tell you. The constant is minus 6. What are the possible factors? Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 6. Of course, you have to try one by one. But here, the numbers are easy, 4, 2, minus 6. So, definitely 1 will satisfy this. So, I first want to try 1. So, you have to write a 1 there, right? First, below that 4, you have to write 0, always 0 there. So, add that plus 4, 0. You will get plus 4. Now, it is like zigzag, no? You have to multiply. Plus 4 into 1, that will be plus 4. Write it below the next, that is the 0. Then add 0 and plus 4, you will get plus 4. Again, multiply plus 4 into 1, you will get plus 4. Plus 2 plus 4, you will get plus 6. Multiply plus 6 into 1 plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 will go, you will get a 0. If you get a 0 as the remainder, then you can take x is equal to 1, that is x minus 1 is a factor. Okay. Now, it is a cubic equation. We have now divided by x minus 1, that is x is equal to 1. So, the quotient will be of second degree. It will be a quadratic. So, now that will be 4x squared plus 4x plus 6. So, now x minus 1 into 4x squared plus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. We can take a 2 out or just like that we can do. So, x is equal to 1 is a proper solution that you get. In the quadratic, we can use that formula method. For that, you need to find the discriminant. That is b square minus 4ac. Here, your a is 4, your b is 4, your c is 6. If you work out your b squared minus 4ac, b squared is 16. Minus 4ac is 4 into 4 into 6, that will be 96. So that will become negative. So there are no real roots. So forget about it. So x is equal to 1 is the only real root. So that is your critical point. Once you know x is equal to 1, you know y is equal to x squared plus 2. So your y will be 3. So 1, 3 will be the nearest point. That is the coordinate of P, 1, 3. So this is the answer for the second subdivision. The third is very easy. We have to find the minimum distance. You know P, that is 1, 3. Now only you found. You know A, that is 3, 2. Use the distance formula. So the distance AP will be root of 3 minus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus 3 the whole square. If you calculate, you will get root 5 units. So do you understand this sum? Please go through the other sums I told you in the playlist, case study sums as well as maxima and minima, so that you will understand many sums. Most of the sums are extra sums and some I have taken from the textbook also. Okay. So thanks for watching the video. Put a like, you can comment, share it with your friends. Thank you once again.